Imagine yourself swimming in a swimming pool or an ocean, and you're trying very hard to retain water from the ocean in your mouth because you're afraid that you're going to die of thirst. But you don't realize that you're in an endless ocean and water is abundant. Just like that, there is this thing in this universe, in this cosmos, all around us, in this space around us, called free energy. What is up, guys? It's a beautifully gloomy day out here in New York City, and today I want to share with you how to raise your intention levels. And this is a very powerful concept shared by Vadim Zealand in Reality Transurfing. And why I want to share this technique with you is because I've selfishly kept it with me this whole time. But it's a very powerful exercise that I do every single day, and it almost allows reality to be manifested for you. So life kind of happens for you, not to you, as Anthony Robbins would say. Now, once you practice things like this and start to let go, you'll start to see that reality starts unfolding as you want it without you even trying. So this is indeed a very powerful exercise, and I'm gonna share it with you. So before I begin, I want to explain what intention is. So there is desire and intention. When you desire something, you want to do it, but the action that needs to be taken is not present. So when you desire to do something like go to the grocery store, you think about it, but you don't really do it. Intention comes in when desire is acted upon. So when you transmute that desire into action, that's where intention comes in. Now, the key idea with manifestation, why intention comes in so important during manifestation, is because intention is what makes the things happen. And now intention itself has its own energy associated with it. So there is an energy of intention. And the more powerful your energy of intention is, the more able you are to actually get to the reality you want to get to and manifest. What I'm going to discuss in this video is an exercise that was very helpful for me, at least, in raising my energy levels for intention. And this relates to the idea of a thing called free energy. So what free energy is this thing that's floating around everywhere. So free energy is something that's emitted by the universe, and it's in abundance. So there is free energy everywhere. If you just walk around and you just move your hands, there's like an ethereal quality to space. Whatever's between us is free energy. So there is an abundance of free energy, but our capacity to retain free energy decreases because we give our energy away. So we're not able to retain this free energy, so to speak, because we're giving it away and we're not focusing on it. And that's why our intent is not powerful enough. So what intent is basically like raising your hand. So you make the desire to raise your hand and you immediately do it. And sometimes you're not able to do this because your energy levels aren't high enough. Your intention energy isn't high enough. So let's say you want to do something really big, like make $100. You can't make that because your intention level isn't high enough. So the energy of your intent isn't strong enough. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to raise your free energy and how to retain more free energy. And there's one simple exercise that helps you do that. Okay. Now, before I begin, I want to give you an understanding of what free energy is. So imagine yourself swimming in a swimming pool or an ocean, and you're trying very hard to retain water from the ocean in your mouth because you're afraid that you're going to die of thirst. But you don't realize that you're in an endless ocean and water is abundant. Just like that, there is this thing in this universe, in this cosmos, all around us, in this space around us, called free energy. So we are abundant in free energy and we don't realize it because nobody tells us, and we're not used to retaining or using this free energy within us. So in Reality Transurfing, Vadim Zealand talks about this idea of meridians, which are energy channels. So we all have two energy channels, one connecting from our head to our root chakra, which is in the butt. So once you squeeze your butt, you'll feel that sphincter. That's where the root chakra exists. And then the other channel goes from the soles of your feet all the way up your spine, up to the root chakra. So these two channels, they don't cross each other. So energy can flow freely through these channels, but we can't feel them because we're not used to feeling these channels. And we can't see them because they are spiritual. Okay, so by now I hope you've grasped an understanding of what free energy is. So now we're going to begin the exercise of getting free energy to flow within us. The frame of mind that you're going to approach these exercises with is that every day my intention levels get higher and higher, and my channels get wider and wider. So right now your channels are probably narrow because you're not used to feeling the free energy flowing through you. But as you get used to it, then you're gonna feel the energy flowing easier. You'll literally feel this. So if you're skeptical, I understand, but just try it out for a period of 30 days. Just try it out for a month and see how you feel and see how your life is changing around you. Okay, let's begin. So we're gonna begin the free energy flowing exercise through closing our eyes. So close your eyes and stand up straight and take a moment to just breathe in 3 deep breaths. In and out. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Now as you breathe in, imagine yourself getting more and more relaxed. At your 3rd breath, just ease any tension in your body. Now, we're going to take 7 deep breaths and imagine 2 channels of energy flowing from the bottom of our feet to our spine and the root chakra, and from the top of our heads to our root chakra. So, breathe in and imagine the 2 energy channels and free energy flowing through these channels, connecting at the root chakra. And breathe out. Now imagine all these energy that you stored up in your root chakra, the free energy. Imagine it exhaling out and exiting through the top of your head and through the bottom of your feet. Breathe in, energy comes in again. Exhale, energy flows out. Now these energy channels are also called energy meridians. And these meridians allow for the flow of this free energy through your body. Breathe in, feel the free energy. You're being filled up with free energy right now. Breathe out. Imagine the energy exhaling through the top of your head and coming out through the bottom of your feet, into the ground and the roots. Two more breaths. Free energy slowly flows out. Okay. I hope you're feeling as good as I am. So I like to do this once every morning. Just after I wake up, I'll stand up straight and imagine myself connecting to the cosmos, if you will, taking in free energy, bottom and top, in unison, and connecting it at the root, and then exhaling out. So basically, I'm just swimming in free energy. Once you do 7 deep breaths, as you're breathing throughout the day, you'll even imagine yourself taking in the free energy and exhaling it out. And as you keep getting accustomed to using this free energy, you won't really feel a lack of motivation, and you'll start to see everything just being your intention levels getting stronger, and you'll start to manifest things without even realizing. So your life will just go as it should, as you want it, without you even trying. And that's what we really want. We don't want to be worrying about trying to manifest something, because once you start worrying about it, then you generate what is known as excess potential. according to reality transurfing. And when you generate excess potential, then you don't manifest it. You go away from manifesting what you want. So anyway, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you try this exercise. Let me know in the comments what you think and if it helped you. Till next time.